Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe, we are going to look into a healthy South Indian version breakfast, which is plain white rice dosas. Please do check out my description box below for the ingredients. To make the dosas, first you need to prepare the dosa batter. For that, you need urad dal and rice. I have used 1:3 ratio in here. That is, for 1 cup lentils, I have taken 3 cups of rice. Wash the cup of urad dal well and cover it with enough water to soak for at least 6 hours or even more. Next, repeat the process for 3 cups of rice. I have used white raw rice in here. Wash the raw rice very well, add few fenugreek seeds, add enough water and let it soak for 6 hours or even more. If you are using any leftover boiled rice, you need to take 2 cups of raw rice and 1 cup of leftover boiled rice in order to adjust to the ratio 1:3 cups of rice. Next comes in the grinding process. For that you need to blend the rice and the dal which has been soaking for more than 6 hours into a nice smooth thick batter. First I am grinding all the rice. Do this in small batches. Add required amount of water to ease in the grinding process. You can use the water in which the dal was soaking in. Use a large bowl to pour the batter, as the batter tends to rise up during the fermentation process. If the bowl is too small, the batter may spill over. Mix all the batter with your hands. Using your hands in this process helps it in fermentation. You can use the soaked urad dal water to grind the lentils into a smooth paste. Close it with a lid and let it rest overnight or at least 12 hours for the fermentation process. The dosa batter looks this way after fermentation. Nice, thick and frothy. Mix it well with a spoon and then take the required amount of dosa batter in a mixing bowl. Loosen the consistency of the batter by adding some water. Add some salt as per your taste, as we did not add any salt during the preparation of the batter. Place a dosa tawa, grease it with some oil. Do not pour any oil. Heat it well until it's nice and hot. Pour some batter in the center of the pan and spread it in a circular motion. If you overheat your pan, you would not get a nice round shaped dosa. Adding ghee or oil is up to your preference. Once your dosa is easy to loosen, it's ready to flip the other side. Cook it for a few seconds and then remove it from the pan. Repeat the process for the rest of the batter until your dosas are done. Serve it hot with some chutney or sambar or even some leftover chicken curry or fish curry. There you go, your dosas are ready to serve now. To make the chutney, just blitz all the ingredients together as shown in the video. I have taken some coconut, 1 green chili, a piece of ginger, few garlic pods, some peppercorns and some tamarind extract. Finally goes in the mint leaves and salt as per taste. Next, give it a light tempering by adding in some oil, mustard seeds, 1 dried red chili, some asafoetida or hing. Add in the ground paste, give it a quick mix and switch off the flame. Check for sufficient salt in the chutney, and there you go, your chutney is ready. Serve it with your hot dosas and enjoy your breakfast. Hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to press the bell icon below for more updates. Meet you in the next video. Till then, signing off, Shazra.